Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to send Microsoft Teams meeting invite in a simple and easy way, so you can schedule meetings without any confusion. Now let's get started. Step 1, open Microsoft Teams on your computer by clicking the Teams icon from your desktop or start menu, then sign in using your work or school account. This is important because only a signed-in account allows you to schedule and manage official meetings. Step 2, click on the Calendar tab from the left sidebar. The Calendar section is where you can see all your scheduled meetings and plan new ones in an organized way. Step 3, click on the New Meeting button located at the top right corner of the Calendar view. This button opens the meeting setup window where you can enter all the necessary details. Step 4, in the Add Participants field, type the names or email addresses of the people you want to invite. Microsoft Teams will automatically suggest contacts as you type, making it quick and easy to find the right participants. Step 5, enter the meeting title in the title field. Adding a clear and specific title helps attendees understand the purpose of the meeting at a glance. Step 6, select the meeting date and time using the scheduling options provided. Choosing the correct date and time ensures everyone knows exactly when to join the meeting. Step 7, add a description if needed in the details box. This section can include the meeting agenda or important notes, so participants come prepared. Step 8, click the Send button at the top right to send the meeting invite. Once sent, all participants will receive an email notification and see the meeting added to their Teams calendar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.